Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to turn filter clan chat off in Clash Royale. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Clash Royale application, which of course I've done right here. Next, where can you find Clash Royale? Now you can find Clash Royale on Google Play Store or Apple Store. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Clash Royale and follow through the on-screen prompt to download or install. After downloading and installing successfully, it's going to take you right into Clash Royale itself, where you're going to be required to pass through the first phase of your tournament. After passing through the first phase of your tournament, it's now going to take you to this window or this home screen where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Clash Royale. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's tags, and that is how to turn filter clan chat off. From this home screen, head over to the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find the three horizontal lines. Click on that, and here you have Battle Log, Leaderboards, TV Royale, Trading Camp, Tournament, Settings, and Supercell ID. Go ahead and click on Settings, and that's going to take you right into the Settings window. Now, from this Settings window, you have Audio, you have Language, you have Change Name, you have More Settings, Help and Support, Privacy, Parents Guide, Terms of Service, API token, and credits. Now I'd like you to select more settings. Now once you click on this, there you have your offers and you have the filter clan chat, and of course you have the option to delete your account. Now if you want to turn filter clan chat off, then you have to set this. So I'm gonna tap on this off and you see it's on. So if it is on in here, you're gonna have to click on that on, and it's going to change to off. It's going to be set to off. So this way you will be able to turn the filter clan chat you'll be able to turn the filter clan chat off in Clash Royale. So just tap it and it's going to show off in the red button. That means it's off. So you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.